Zaviers Zoo. 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 Zaviers Zoo.
Welcome to Zaviers Zoo and meet my puppy Alice. She's digging her
Stop digging!
Our puppy Alice is a 4-month-old Rottweiler. She has grown up so quick and she's going to get so much bigger. Looking after a dog is a big responsibility. You have to take them for walks. Alice loves going for walks. Sometimes she poos and Dad has to clean it up. Sometimes we also go running. You also need to feed her at breakfast and dinner. I love my Alice. She looks after my family and she loves to play with us. And we like to play with her. She is so cute. Alice is roofing. Okay, let's go play her. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and see what I'm gonna do next and tell you about any animals. Bye. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.